Hello, and this is the Jose Maria train ride. I'm looking at the GFS. This is valid for 6 o'clock this morning, as you can see up there. This is Jose. Here's Maria down by Puerto Rico. Jose's been parked up here for the last couple days. Looks like it's off the coast of Maryland and New Jersey, Delaware and New Jersey. But it's been sitting there and just spinning in a beautiful counterclockwise direction, producing lots of wind and probably rain for coastal areas up here. I've got blue skies here in Northern Virginia, and have had blue skies. We've got some beautiful mid-latitude cyclones actually appearing up here in the northern part. This is a pretty wide view of the Atlantic Ocean going from, you can see Africa over here, you can see España, and you can make out Great Britain, as well as Greenland and Iceland up there. I think that's Iceland. Probably is Iceland. But it's got the highs and lows. You can see 975 pretty low because 1013 is normal. 954 even lower. And this is Lee, and Lee is actually really close to regular atmospheric pressure, so Lee's pretty much demised by now. We've got Jose the Stinker, and we have Maria the Mad Woman Bomber Monster. And she's going to be spinning counterclockwise like this. This is going to go by really quickly. I've got it at forecast hour 0. So this view, it's going to go to 384 hours in advance. And you watch the time change. What's going to happen? Well, actually, let's just watch it. Okay, I got to go up here to get this play button. So you can watch Jose. Jose kind of disappears. And then here comes Maria. And Maria moves up. The GFS has got her going in and just kissing OBX. And then moving up. And then this low that's forming up here, they engulf each other. And then it just moves off to the west coast of Great Britain. I'm not sure what this low is that's forming over here, and let's just go to 384. I'm not sure what this one is. It's sitting in, let me go to 300 hours. As you see, there's really nothing forming there. It's got a little bit of green, so we got some storm material. And then it gets a little bit more organized 312 hours out. A little bit more organized, and then we see something actually forming out here in the Pacific, moving across the Central America Peninsula. And then we move to 336, and they're actually sitting here pretty decently pressurized. And then this one sort of disappears, same sort of thing there. And then this one has them forming a little more. This one moving into Florida. We're actually looking at Thursday. Looks like Friday, October 6th. Oh, that's still Thursday. Where am I? 372. And then 384. Looks pretty good rain for western part of the peninsula of Florida. And then we have another thing over here, a little bit north of Puerto Rico, and we'll have to pay attention to those things as well. Okay, I'm going to go up to the global. I'm going to get let's get the NavGem, which is a form of, actually let's go ahead and get the Canadian. Instead of the form of the Canadian, let's get the Canadian. Okay, so this one's going to show a little bit differently. Again, there's Jose, here's Maria, here's a mid-latitude cyclone, here's another beautiful mid-latitude cyclone, beautiful counterclockwise spin. And we'll let them play. Jose, looks like dive, look at that, beautiful. And then here comes Maria, does a little bit more than kiss OBX, and then moves right into Virginia, West Virginia, and dies. And then what is this? I didn't watch that one. Is that Lee? No, that's the next one. Nope, it is Lee. Lee's dropping pressure. It's way far out in the mid-Atlantic, so it's not going to bother anybody and probably get associated with one of these beautiful mid-latitude cyclones that are spinning around. But it looks like it's just going out there, and this is going 240 hours. But it looks like Lee could actually become a pretty decent-sized hurricane. Not sure how it's empowering itself since it's moving into that colder water of the mid-Atlantic, but looks like it's actually growing pretty well. But I guess the news is Maria moving into North Carolina, OBX area, and into Virginia. Okay, much more on that later because we're talking about next week for most of this stuff. Take care. Thanks for stopping by.